Hi guys, welcome back. This is the Defender videos. Again, this is video number of that series. And in this video, we're going to deal with collision detection and response and also scorekeeping as well. So that's all going to be done in this video, and that starts after the fade. Next thing to figure out is the collision detection. And the first thing I need to figure out is do we have laser shot? Okay, let me just grab laser shot. So laser shot is the most complicated thing in the world, and I don't know why I made it this complicated. It doesn't have to be this complicated. It's got an animation in there. It's a whole big thing. So I'm gonna remove the animator. So remove animator component. I am going to grab laser shot 0, which is correct. I'm then going to change the box collider as well. So the box collider doesn't have to be nearly as big as that. Let me just bring that in there. Oh, it's ridiculously big. I don't know why I thought this was a good idea. Let me. Do I want to start with that? No, let's not bother. Let me do that. There. Yeah, change the size to there. There you go. That's good enough. So it's just going to fire that green thing. Okay, so do that there. Okay. And also I don't like the way that the fire works as well, so I'm going to change that. So if I go to main camera, player ship, laser fire control, here we go. Okay, so offset, there we go. So the get button down. And I'm going to change that as well. So I'm going to change this to I enumerator start while true. If get button fire that, and then I'm going to do yield return new wait 4 seconds, and then it's going to be cooldown, and I'm going to have public float cooldown equals 0.5, so they can only fire every half a second, else yield null. There we go. What you don't like in there? There you go. And I think that's it. So when you hold down Control key, it'll fire in 1 second bursts. There we go. Okay. Now, collision detection. Well, this should be easy, but seeing as how I've been at this video all day, maybe not. Okay. So the prefab itself is untagged. Let's add a tag, and we'll call this player bullet. and we will mark that as being player bullet as well. Okay. Box collider there. It's a rigid body, and it hits that there. Okay. And where are the aliens? Lander? Lander, okay. It's got a box collider 2D and it's a trigger. And does it have a lander? Okay, it does have a lander, okay. And then the bullet itself, does it have a bullet move? Okay. So I'm gonna have a this could all be done by a rigid body, so maybe that's something that we look at. So rather than doing this every frame, we could do it on start. Just grab the rigid body and then just set the velocity. Could do that. Anyway, override on on trigger enter 2D. If collision.tag equals lander? Is it lander? Who knows? It is lander. Okay, lander. Print ouchie. Okay. So if it hits a lander, it should say ouchie. Let's hope it does. So bring up the console. It's here. Okay, so we go back to here. And I'm not seeing ouchie. Oh no, there you go, ouchie. I'm seeing lots of ouchies. Okay, that's good. So the next thing to do is okay, lots of ouchies. Right, that's good. So there's a few audio listeners in here. Let's get rid of a few of them. Audio listener. So I don't need that on the left camera. I don't need that on the right camera. Don't need it on the radar view. Don't need it on that. There you go. So we've only got one audio listener left. So that sorted. All right. So we're gonna remove this bullet and we're gonna remove the other one as well. Yeah. See, this is. This is gonna troublesome, but okay. So what we want to do is we want to say destroy the thing that we hit and destroy this one as well. So we want to go lander. Does that have a? I don't know if that has a. I don't think it's got anything on it. It's got an animation on it, which I think we need to trigger an animation. To do trigger animation before and then destroy. Actually, let's do that. We'll do where are we? Scripts. Create lander. Okay, and then the lander is going to be part of the prefab. So I'm going to add. You guys can't see that because I'm hiding behind there. So if I do add component lander, I'm going to go grab this, and then I'm going to say public void kill game object. Okay. So that's all that's going to do is just kill the game object. So we're going to do var lander equals collision dot get component lander. If lander equal to, oh, you can do lander kill destroy game object. So the kill is going to kill the actual lander. We also need to do to do update player score, which we haven't got yet. Okay, so this will kill kill the alien, the mutant. Okay. Oh, that didn't make it. Oh wait, that's why. On trigger enters, it's always going to enter because it's going to be in a trigger. So we're going to say if collision dot tag equals lander, because we're only interested in when it touches a lander. We're not interested in anything else because right now it's inside the spawner. Remember, that's a collision from like 3 videos ago. So it's always going to spawn inside the, yeah, there you go. Okay, so that's better. All right, so we'll go back to here. Okay, there we go. Starting to get somewhere. Boom, boom. Okay. Right, so we need to do the animation, which will be the lander in reverse. So that we can do, and then we need to tell the player the score. So I need to signal the score somehow. Bullet, where do we get bullet move from? Is bullet move used anywhere? It is. Okay. So what we can do is, this is a laser fire control, and that's ship move. So we can say, let's do bullet move, our bullet move equals this, move equals that, bullet move dot on death on kill equals ship move dot alien killed. Okay, so alien killed doesn't exist, so I'm gonna generate on kill, and then this one doesn't exist either. Okay, so first things first, alien killed. Let's make sure private void net to do update score, and then on kill is going to be an action on kill. Oh, I don't have action, so we're going to say on kill. So just in case it's null, we'll check to see if it's null using that null operator. What? Oh, public. Okay. So alien killed. All right. So ship move. I mean, let's just have score here. Why not? So we can do public int score, and then for that to get updated, do score plus equals 50 points. You get 50 points every time you shoot an alien. That seems like fair to me. Okay. Right, and then the UI. Okay, so the UI for that. We're just going to put in the score just now and just put it in. Where does Defender have it? Defender video game. Images. Okay, it has it over here, so we'll put it over here as well. So we're going to add UI. Text Mesh Pro, import essentials. Okay. There is somebody did a font that sort of looks a bit like the Nintendo font. So I'm gonna see if I can find it. And of course I can't find it when I'm looking for something. So oh no, here we go. Okay. So just downloading this. So press start. So this is a true type font. That's good. Okay. I will put this in the resources folder of this thing here. Sorry, I'm just slightly off screen. GitHub repos. Okay, world map shooter. Resources. Fonts. Okay, so if we go to art and create a new folder, fonts. Oh, that didn't download. What happened there? What happened there? Okay. I guess it sort of worked. All right, and then I want to do Window Text Mesh Pro, Font Asset Creator. I want to choose a font, which is this guy here. I want to generate that font atlas, and I want to click on Save, and I'm going to call it Arcader because I just watched Pixels the other night there. You know, Pixels. I did not like it. The first time I saw it, I bought a Sony Xperia Z3 phone, and I got it free with it, and I did not care for it. I thought it was a not good movie, but it has since grown on me. Oh, that's nice. I like that. So I'm gonna make that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, look at that. That's a good font. And then I'm going to make that much smaller. And it goes up here, like so. right, okay. And it's kind of, I think, from the left-hand side. So it's right aligned, I should say. So we just make that right aligned. And we can bring that in, like so. We can make that 16. It's probably better. And we'll make it centered to there. Okay, all right, that's good. Now we need to update the score. So I'm going to UI, scripts, create C# script, and we're going to call this score label, and we drag that onto our text. Got one? Oh, I think it's crashed. Oh. Text, like so. And we'll double click that. Okay. And then we can do enumerator like ship move ship while true yield return null if. Okay, so let's do private int last score equals 0 if last score is not the same as ship score. Last score equals ship dot score. And then we're going to do get what we got, our txt equals get component tmpro text GUI text mesh GUI txt.text equals string.format. Actually, I can do string interpolation, can't I? Which would be that. And then it would be last score 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Okay. So that, for those of you playing at home and not understanding what's going on in my head, what I'm saying is check to see if the last score is not the same as the current score, and if it is, you want to update the data. You want to check, you want to set that to be the current, you want to remember the last score, and then update the display. But you don't want to update the display every frame, but you do want to do the update every frame, and we can do that all inside the start method. We don't need to create any other methods. We can do everything in there. So that is going to work, and that is 6. Okay, so that's good. Okay, so for that one there, we just drag player ship onto here. See, it needs player move, so we just drag player ship. Boink. There we go. So every time we shoot something, we should get a score. So we should up the score by 50 points. Oh, there we go. It's doing that thing again. It definitely doesn't like that. There's a bit of space here that it doesn't like. I'm killing these things though. Not that one. Okay. thinking that we should probably just stop there. Yeah, okay, let's stop there. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your viewership, taking time to watch these videos, especially when some of it is a bit painful. But yeah, thank you all for watching. If you like this video, then thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, let me know in the comments below. That would be great. And if you have any suggestions for videos in the comments as well, please, thank you. If you like this and you want timely reminders of when new videos go up, then if you hit the subscribe button and notification bell, then YouTube will do its algo stuff and you will get notified of when I put a new video up. But until then, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye now.